Good morning YouTube, welcome back to today's vlog, Saturday's vlog, Saturday for you, because I'm daily vlogging this week. What I'm going to do, I'm going out with my sister in the afternoon, so I'm going to take a GoPro with me and film. We're going to this trampoline park, so I'll film there. And then this morning I'm going out with a bike ride with Mum, so I'm going to use this thing, what I bought. Which is a jaw flicks clamp from GoPro. As you know, I quite like the GoPro accessories. I've got quite a lot. Just going to play Xbox for a bit, so play that for a bit, then play a bit of Forza, and then get ready to go on a bike ride. So I'll see you when we're on the bikes. Right, so today I am on my bike, cycling. As you can see, this is the first time since my bike has been fixed. I'm vlogging and cycling, so what I'll do in a minute, I'll stop this clip and then I will turn you around and you enjoy the bike ride. So what I'm going to do, stop it here and I will pause. Off at one of the little stops on the end of the river or pond. Anyone want a free bike? Yeah, this is where we are today. This is just like a little pond next to our house. Anyone for a traffic cone as well? Come here, mate. It's not bread, but it's a bit more than bread. just getting ready to go trampolining now. I'm going to try and vlog in there. I've got my socks on, as you can see. I'll show you where we're going in a minute. So I'm just getting ready, waiting for my sister to pick me up, and then we get going. So I'll see you when we're at the trampoline place. Previous vlog, I forgot to say I'm filming on my GoPro because I'm not going to take my big camera, my G7X, because I don't want to break it, and the GoPro is easier to film on when bouncing about. So yeah, you're on the GoPro at the moment, but you will switch back to the normal vlog camera when I'm back home. So I'll see you when we're at the trampoline place. So this massive parcel has just come for me, and I'll cover the label so you can't see where I live. Yeah, massive parcel. I know what it is already, but yeah, I wasn't expecting it until later. But yeah, that's the good thing about Amazon Prime. Whee! So, just on the... That was rubbish. And I put it here. We've only been doing this for about 20 minutes and I'm absolutely shattered. It's an hour session. I'm sweating buckets. So I'm trying to film as much as I can in here, but there's so many kids in, I don't want to get them in the video. So I've just come and sat in the corner for a sec. But yeah, really enjoying it at the moment. Back to bouncing. So, I've just come back from the trampoline part. I am feeling it now. I've been back for an hour. Shattered. It was only, I timed it 20 minutes I bounced for a consecutive 20 minute, and I'm shattered. I was sweating buckets and everything. I'm just getting some pizza delivered by Domino's. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been quite a good one. Went on a bike ride with Mum in the morning, went out with my sister in the afternoon. My shoulders are killing. So I will see you Wednesday it is now for my vlog. Wednesday's vlog. So see you then, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.